Hello friends, are you ready for a colorful adventure? Today's story is called Lala and the Rainbow Bridge, and we're going to learn all about colors of the rainbow. The colors are red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Let's begin. Once upon a time, in a magical sunny village filled with giggles and fluttering butterflies, lived a curious little girl named Lala. The village was special because everything was painted in the most beautiful, bright colors you've ever seen. But one morning, Lala woke up to find her world had turned grey and sad. The magic colors were gone. Lala found a note that said, "To bring back the colors, you must find the rainbow key and unlock the door of colors." Determined, Lala skipped into the whispering woods. First, she found a shiny red apple hanging from a tree. Red. She giggled, and as she touched it, a red sparkle flew from the apple and into her pocket. A little further, she saw a field of bright orange pumpkins smiling in the sun. Orange, she cheered. An orange sparkle joined the red one. Soon after, she found a cheerful yellow sunflower dancing in the breeze. Yellow, she sang, gathering its happy yellow sparkle. Her pocket was getting brighter. Lala then hopped over a babbling brook where she saw a friendly green frog. "Green," she whispered, and a green sparkle leaped into her pocket. Looking up at the sky, she saw it was a deep, beautiful blue. "Blue," she exclaimed with joy, and a blue sparkle swirled down to join the others. As evening began to fall, the sky turned a dark, mysterious indigo. Indigo, Lala marveled, collecting the sparkly, deep blue hue. Finally, she spotted a field of lovely violet flowers. "Violet," she said softly, and the last sparkle, a gentle purple one, completed her collection. All the sparkles zipped out of her pocket, twirling together to form a shimmering rainbow key. It flew towards a huge grey door carved into a big oak tree and clicked open the lock. Boosh! A brilliant rainbow burst out, painting the entire village in vibrant colors once again. Lala looked up and whispered, "Color makes the world happy, and kindness brings back the magic." And from that day on, whenever a rainbow appeared, Lala knew she had helped paint it. So, my little friends, did you learn all the beautiful colors of the rainbow with Lala today? Red, orange, yellow, green, blue, indigo, and violet. Now you know the magic of colors too. Thank you for watching our little angels. See you next time. Please like, share, and subscribe. Bye-bye then.